How does the automatic stay affect landlords? Have you ever wondered how the automatic stay impacts landlords when a tenant files for bankruptcy? This legal protection kicks in right away, stopping most collection actions. When a tenant files for bankruptcy, landlords must pause any attempts to collect rent or evict the tenant. This happens without needing a court order, which can be surprising for many landlords. The automatic stay is designed to protect the debtor's estate. It gives the tenant time to reorganize or liquidate their debts under the supervision of the court. For landlords, this means they cannot move forward with eviction or any related court actions unless certain conditions are met. If the lease was terminated before the bankruptcy filing, landlords might still have some options. If a landlord had already started an eviction process or received a judgment before the tenant filed for bankruptcy, the automatic stay may not apply. This is especially true if the lease was completely terminated prior to the bankruptcy filing. In such cases, landlords can continue their eviction actions without violating the stay. However, landlords can also ask the bankruptcy court to lift the automatic stay. They need to show valid reasons for this request. For example, if the tenant is not making rent payments during bankruptcy, or if the landlord's interest in the property is not adequately protected, the court may grant relief. It is important to note that while the automatic stay protects the tenant's right to stay in the property during bankruptcy, it is not absolute. If the tenant fails to provide adequate protection, or if the property is not essential to the bankruptcy case, the court may allow the landlord to proceed with eviction. For landlords, the automatic stay means they must stop most collection and eviction actions immediately after a tenant files for bankruptcy. Any attempts to collect rent or evict without court approval can be voided. This could lead to legal consequences for landlords who violate the stay. In essence, the automatic stay creates a temporary halt for landlords regarding eviction and rent collection against tenants who have filed for bankruptcy. It balances the tenant's protection with the landlord's rights, allowing for possible court relief when necessary. Understanding these rules can help landlords navigate the complexities of bankruptcy proceedings effectively.